bit pile. So a quick video on the seals for the winglets on the Subaru STI. So on my car, these are the original seals here. They actually shrunk, so they actually pulled away about sort of 2 inches in that sort of section there. So when I basically pulled them out completely and pushed them back in again in this section, they were, they're about 1 centimetre, say, out roughly on this section here. Plus also they were hard, so they weren't going in. They weren't going in properly basically because they're just basically just hard. So had a look on the forums, on the Facebook forums, so Subaru UK Owners Club, thanks very much, appreciated. Guys sent me the link, and basically, yeah, got a new pair of these, which are on the car now, which cost £10 delivered, first class delivery, really fast, all that sort of stuff, perfect. And literally, they're exactly the same, so each one comes about this much longer. That's the profile there. And it's exactly the same profile as these, so literally it's the same item. The same colour as well for the Subaru WR1. So happy days. All I did literally was just pull the old one out. On mine, the old one was definitely glued in at the top here, so it's probably glued in here and here, I expect, but certainly glued in there. Test fit the new seal, so it fits in sort of underneath here a little bit, and then just gets sort of caught underneath here if you sort of pull this down ever so slightly, and you sort of cut the trim a little bit on the corner, and it just sits in nice there to grip it as well. Did that. I also personally put a bit of this on as well, Loctite 60-second glue, which is just a glue that I use on many things. So I literally just put a few dabs on both sides of the seal, just every sort of few inches, and then very, very carefully obviously put it in, so didn't get any glue on the paintwork or touch it on the ground and get any dust and crap on the glue. So yeah, pushed in honestly really nicely. Obviously around this sort of section here, it's not super tight or super snug. It's quite sort of snug here, and sort of looser here. So obviously with the tape in place, it'll just hold it securely until the glue is dried. But I don't think it would have fallen out anyway. I think it would have been fine. But obviously, just the cars are old. They've nothing fits as well as it probably did when it was new and stuff. But I'm really pleased with it, so happy days. So certainly good. £10 well spent. I'll put an image of the eBay advert as well on the post in a minute. But yeah, you can certainly see how sort of hard these ones here were, whereas these ones here are exactly the same profile, and they're literally like soft rubber. So they're much nicer. And these, say, just gone hard. These ones are cool. Yeah, same for that side there. And say really easy job. It literally takes about 15 minutes altogether. So just need some sharp scissors or a pair of those, some masking tape, and I would suggest you want to put a bit of glue, like I've done. Certainly on the ends, but potentially throughout as well. I would suggest. Cool, nice one. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Yeah, quick update on the Subaru. So I've been driving it the past week, and yeah, the seals are perfect. Obviously they haven't fallen out, they've stayed exactly as they are, so yeah, happy days. They look really good, so I'm really pleased with those. So yeah, I'll put the an image of the link from eBay. But yeah, really like that. They really transform the look of the car. They just look absolutely standard and they look brand new. Cool, nice one. Cheers.